This is a 2015 Honda Odyssey, gray over gray leather interior, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, power driver's seat, leather wrapped steering wheel, cruise control, Bluetooth for your cell phone, electronic climate control, heated seats, push button start, power moonroof, captain's chairs in the second row, rear entertainment, power dual sliding doors, aluminum wheels, backup camera, power tailgate, there's a look at the storage behind the third row seats. Those seats fold down for additional storage. This vehicle is powered by a 3.5 liter 6-cylinder engine, so it's got lots of power. And like all pre-owned vehicles at AutoNation Ford Brooksville, it has a 5-day 250-mile money-back guarantee.